Hey guys, I am so excited today. I got my little green machine in the mail that I ordered on Amazon, and I'm very excited. I'm a mom of four, so as you may expect, I have a lot of areas in this house that I am really looking forward to using it on. I also bought with it this Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Remover. So I'm gonna use this, although I didn't know it came with anything, any cleaners, and it does. It comes with this little sample size. That's good to know. I'm gonna be using this one today though. We'll see how this works. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and then we're gonna try it out and see how it goes.
See what we have here.
So this nice attachment. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, which I actually really love because it makes it very portable and easy to store, and that's really nice. I have this ottoman I'm really excited to clean. It has several stains on it, as you can see. Some here, one here. And I have my little green machine plugged in, so that's something to be aware of. I thought that, for some reason I thought the portable aspect of it meant that it was cordless, but it's not cordless, so just be aware of that. It does have a really long cord, so that's nice. I also have this pillow that has this stain right here, so I'm gonna try to get that one too. Okay, now while these dry, I'm gonna just go and do some spot treatments on this couch. Okay, I finished with the couch, and while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna do my kitchen chairs. I have a lot of stains on them, so I am gonna do these and see how it goes. Okay, and this is the after. This spot came out. I'm really happy. You can't see it anymore. It looks really good. I did our kitchen chairs, and again, they look so much better. Okay, it's been a few days, and I am really impressed with it. I feel like it has endless possibilities. There are so many places I am really excited to use it, like my car mats. I think that would be so nice to be able to shampoo my car mats myself. Our stairs and my daughter's rocking chair in her nursery. Those are just a few of the places that I am really looking forward to using it. This little green machine, I think it's going to be my new best friend as a mom of 4 little kids. It's kind of a must to have something like that on hand so that when messes happen, I can clean it up right away. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. I've been really happy with it. I love how easy it is to use. I love how small and compact it is. And I've already had some friends want to borrow it from me. So I highly recommend it. In my opinion, it is definitely a must-have as a mom.